Hi students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. I am going to discuss about velocity of electron in nth orbit. Velocity of electron in nth orbit. So please subscribe our channel. So according to Bohr postulates, we know that MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. So here V is equal to NH by 2 pi mR. According to Bohr's atomic theory, Bohr's postulate, MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. The angular momentum of electron is equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? Now, according to this, V is equal to NH by 2 pi mR. Now, we know that in the previous video, we can determine the radius of orbit. Rn is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m z e square into k, right, where k is constant. Its value k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Now, so V is equal to, V means velocity of electron. We know that this is the nucleus, this is the orbit. There the electron revolving around the nucleus in a circular path. The circular path is said to be orbit. So this is the distance between the nucleus to electron, that is we can say radius. And here the electron can moving with some v velocity in this orbit, and it is having m mass. Now V is equal to NH by 2 pi m. What is the R value? R is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m z e square k. Now V is equal to velocity of electron, right? Now this can be written as NH by 2 pi m into 4 pi square m z e square k by n square h square, right? M cancel, 2 pi 1 ja 2 pi ja 4 pi square, and NH1 ja NH ja n square h square. What is the remaining value? V is equal to 2 pi, m is cancelled, and remaining z e square k by nh. So all these are constants. This can be written as, or this is also written as, V is equal to 2 pi, right, e square k into z by h into n. Right. Now these what is the value of, we know that these values, what its values? Charge of electron, H value, H is equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule into second, and E value 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. So in the previous video, that values can be taken in CGS, but here the values can be taken in MKS. Okay, no problem. Now and k value, k is the constant, k value, k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Its value is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Now all these values are substituted in this equation. This is the velocity of electron. Next, V is equal to 2 into 3.14 into E square. What is the value of E? 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 whole square into K, 9 into 10 to the power of 9 by H value 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 minus 34 into Z by N. So this can be simplified. We got 2.18 into 10 to the power of 6 into Z by N meter per second. So what are the units of velocity? Meter per second. So not centimeter per second. All these values can be taken in MKS. So finally we got meter per second. So this is also written velocity V is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 can be written as 10 square centimeter. 10 square into 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 8 Z by N centimeter per second. So this is the velocity of electron in nth orbit. So once again, so this is the atom, this is the nucleus having positive charge. The electron can revolve around the nucleus in orbit. So here its radius is r. Here the electron can revolve around the nucleus with v velocity and its mass is m. Now what is the velocity of electron in the nth orbit? Suppose second orbit, third orbit. Here we can take an nth orbit, right? So according to Bohr's atomic theory, Bohr's second postulate, mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So V can be written as V is equal to nh by 2 pi mr, right? V is equal to nh by 2 pi m. We know that r. So in the previous video, we can calculate the radius of electron in nth orbit. What is that r? What its value? Rn is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m z e square k. So that value is substituted in this equation. We got V is equal to nh by 2 pi m into, so this can be written as 4 pi square m z e square k by n square h square. Here m cancel, nh 1 ja nh cancel, remaining nh, and 2 2 ja pi cancel. What are remaining values? V is equal to 2 pi z e square k by nh. Okay, here z and n. Z is the atomic number, n is the nth orbit number. Okay, number of cell, right? Nth orbit. So remaining all are constants. 2 pi e square k by h. So E is the charge of electron. Here we can take n minus 1.60 into 10 to the power minus 19, its value. So H value is 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34. K value is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. So all these values are substituted in the equation. We got, finally it is simplified. We got 2 into 1.8 into 10 to the power of 6 into z by n meter per second. So this can be written as 2.18 into 1 meter is equal to 10 square centimeter. 10 square into 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 8 z by n into centimeter per second. Now I am going to explain one sum on this concept. Right, please observe this sum. calculate the velocity of an electron placed in the third orbit of the hydrogen atom and also calculate the number of revolutions per second that this electron makes around the nucleus, right? So first of all we find the velocity of electron. Velocity of electron V is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 8 Z by n centimeter per second. So this is the formula for velocity of electron, 2.18 into 10 to the power of 6 into Z by n meter per second, but if in centimeter per second, 10 to the power of 8. Now here which atom? Hydrogen atom. Per hydrogen atom Z is equal to 1. For hydrogen atom, for each atom Z is equal to 1, where n is equal to third orbit. N is equal to third orbit. Now V is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power of 8. Z means 1 and 3. So its value we got 0.37 ja given and 3 2 ja and 6 2 3 9 just 0.729 into 10 to the power of 8 centimeter per second. So this is the velocity of electron. This is the velocity of electron in the third orbit of hydrogen atom. Now we can calculate the number of revolutions per second. Time taken, first we know the time taken for one revolution. Time taken for one revolution. So this is the nucleus, this is the orbit. So your electron can revolve with some velocity. What is the circumference of circle? 2 pi r. So we know that velocity is equal to distance by time. Now time is equal to distance by velocity. So what is the distance? The electron travel total in a orbit like 2 pi r distance, like a circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r by its velocity. So time taken per one revolution is equal to 2 pi r by V. Now here calculate the number of revolutions per second. Number of the revolutions per second is equal to 1 by per second, like 1 by 2 pi r by V is equal to V by 2 pi r. So V, what is the velocity of electron? This one, 0.729 into 10 to the power of 8 by 2 pi value 3.14 into r. So r also find out. So we know that Rn is equal to 0.529 n square by Z per hydrogen atom. So 0.529 into n square. N is equal to third orbit, 3 square. So 0.529 into 9. So 9 9 ja 81, 9 2 ja 18. 9 2 is 18, 8, 26, 2, 9 5 is 45, 2, 47, 4, right, 4.761. This is the angstrom, so it can be written in, this value is present in CGS unit, centimeter per second. This also written 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So into 10 to the power of minus 8. So into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 10 to the power of minus 8, right? So this is the radius 4.761 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Now this value is substituted in this equation. V means 0.729 into 10 to the power of 8 by 2 pi into r. R value this 4.76 into 10 to the power of minus 8. So finally we got 0.729 by 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 6.28 into 4.76, 10 to the power of 8 into 10 to the plus 10 to the power of 8. So finally we got 2.4 into 10 to the power of 14 revolutions per second. So this is the value, number of revolutions per second type. So 2.4 into 10 to the power of 14 revolutions per second. Thank you.